Ford's new Ranger has proven to be a very popular vehicle with a niche of enthusiasts who love the 2.3-liter turbo engine and the off-road capabilities of this truck. It does have one feature though that a lot of new Fords have that drive people nuts, and that's the auto stop. When you come into a traffic light and you're stopped in the vehicle, it shuts the vehicle off in theory to save gas mileage. Now for a lot of people, it absolutely drives them crazy, and while there is a button you can turn off, you have to do it every single time you start the vehicle. Well, today we're going to install an Autostop Eliminator on this 2019 Ford Ranger. The Autostop Eliminator for your 19 through 21 Ford Ranger is going to be a plug-and-play harness. Basically what you're going to do is unplug the stop-start button. This will go in line and make it permanently eliminated, so every time you start the vehicle, you won't have to hit that button to turn off the auto stop. The button to turn off the auto stop is right here in the center console of your Ford Ranger. So basically the harness is going to go behind that plug. To get that off, we got to remove this top plate from the console. So to get to the back of the button, we have to remove this top console plate. There's a couple different ways to do this. You can get right in here between the cup holder and the console trim with a small pry bar. What I found that's actually even easier, put your hand up front here, and if you pull back on it, this will lift up. You just get your hand in there, no tools required. Just kind of give the panel a little shimmy here, and you'll feel the clip start to release. The plug's gonna look like this. It'll be right underneath the switch for the auto stop. What you have to do, basically get your finger in the side here, release that, and pull the harness off. Just get a grip on it. You'll feel the little tab. Push the tab over, slide the harness off. So now we have the harness off. We pull it off to the side here, plug that into your Autostop Eliminator. It'll lock in just like the factory one does. And then this will plug into the switch, again with the release, towards the passenger side. Push the entire assembly down in here, out of the way. There's plenty of room. So you kind of sort of have to go by feel here, but line it up, plug it in, make sure you hear it clip. Make sure the harness is out of the way. Push the console plate back down. Pop all the clips on, and your installation's finished. So now when you go to turn your Ranger on, turn the key to the on position, you'll see auto start will turn off automatically. Now obviously this isn't a performance part or a dress-up part, but it gets rid of a common annoyance in these new vehicles. Now, you know, the auto stop, it does serve a purpose. It's supposed to save gas, but for most owners, it's more of an annoyance. The Autostop Eliminator is an easy way to fix that annoyance. Installation will take you about 10 or 15 minutes. You'll be back on the road in no time.